Today I will be mostly rebuilding brake calipers.
What an agent, what a squirrel. He's got the country in a whirl. What's his name? Shh, secret squirrel. He's got tricks up his sleeve. Most bad guys won't believe. A bulletproof coat, a cannon hat, machine gun cane with a rat. Fight for and fire, his disguise takes him.
Okay, Yamaha xj600n brake caliper rebuild. Right, pistons are out. Now I've got to get the seals out. And the pick. The seal. Inner seal. The seal. Main seal. Okay. Time for clean up. This is the way I do it. Whether this is right or not, I don't know. But basically, I just get as much of the crud out from the inner faces, you know, which you actually call it. But that's where it all collects. So that's where I try and get it from. Alright, so that's okay. Right, time to give this a clean out with some brake cleaner and see how we're doing. Right, let's get this thing built. Kit. Seals. Rubber grease. The valve out the way. One out the way. Do the small one first. Oh yeah, for the other one. Right. Rubber lube on this. I googled this red rubber grease, red rubber lube, whatever you want to call it. Apparently it's vegetable based, I think it said. So it's not a problem with brake fluid. It shouldn't cause any contamination problems with brake fluid. So there you go. Right. Right, okay. in the right. Quite like that. There you go. That one seated. Right, get the top one done. Actually, before I do that, let's check this. Let's say, if you run your finger from the bottom of the cup up, you can feel a lip. It's in the right way. There's this ongoing you hear about, there's a taper on the rubber seals that have to go in a certain way. I've looked at these seals and they look just straight both sides to me. You hold them like that and there doesn't look like there's any taper. So I don't know whether they don't do that anymore. I don't know, but that's what they say. If you rub the finger up like that, if you feel a lip on that inside, then it's in the right way. That's, I can feel one there, so I'm going with that. Including that, let's the other small ones, right, larger ones. Outer, inner. Right. Some good rubber grease. Okay, that's that one. Top one. Pistons. Okie dokie. Here we go. Right. I'll turn this round. Get that out of the way. What we do is wobble it till you get it over the first one, and then make sure it's that. finger in it. That's good. Right. And there we go. That's that. That seems alright. Get it seated right down to the bottom of the caliper. Get much air out so you don't get trapped air in it for when you're bleeding it. And right, right, that's that in. So, just 8mm and that one out. Okay. New valve. Yeah. Go. That right, should be good to go. Okay, one brake caliper rebuilt, pistons, seals, valve done. Repeat for the second one. That's one I prepared earlier. Okay, rubbers on the other bit. Okay. Rubber grease. That's that one. Go. I'm going to put the other one there. Go. All the coverings coming off of that and getting in the grease. Right, that one. How I normally do these is I get the Allen key of a which size, say that one. Yep, that'll do it. And I work it in like that. There you go. I haven't poked one through the end yet, so assuming it works. Right, okay. Right. Repeat for the second one, obviously. Clean all your pins. Your pins up. Before you put it all on the bike, grease them up with grease of your choice. I've tried rubber lube, I've tried copper grease. I think this time I'm going to try just regular grease. So, right, pops on there. Pin goes through there. There you go. That's that one. Pin, clean. Yeah. There you go. Pair of calipers, all done, ready to go. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. Oh, not forgetting these bits that sit in there. You'll see them as you take it to bits, you know, so you know how to put them back in the pads. Okay, that's it. Done and dusted. Toodle pip.
Many places, he's a squirrel of many faces. Who's that?
Ugh.
Who's that?
Good man.
Who's that?
Oi!
Secret squirrel. Shh.